The sky is dark, the clouds are heavy, my heart is sore and I'm unsteady. I walk through shadows, I walk through pain, wondering if the sun will ever rise again. The tears I cried filled an ocean. I lost my faith, I lost my motion, but deep inside a tiny spark is still alive inside the dark. I know the night is cold and long, but I'm still holding on. I know that I'm strong enough to rise above the love, 'cause there's a light after the rain, a brand new day to start again. Even though my heart is breaking, I know the future is worth making. I'm sad right now, I'm feeling low, but I believe that I will grow. Yeah, I will heal and I will fly up towards the sky. I'm picking pieces off the ground, turning my brokenness around. The wounds are deep, but they will close, and from the ashes beauty grows. I don't know what the future holds, but I believe in stories untold. I'll dry my eyes and lift my head. There's hope inside the words I said, 'cause there's a light after the rain, a brand new day to start again. Even though my heart is breaking, I know the future is worth making. I'm sad right now, I'm feeling low, but I believe that I will grow. Yeah, I will heal and I will fly up towards the sky. Let it hurt, let it bleed, let me feel what I need, but I won't stay down here. I'll face my fear, one step closer, one step more, walking towards the door. 'Cause there's a light after the rain, a brand new day to start again. Even though my heart is breaking, I know the future is worth making. I'm sad right